Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nonghikai jong ka school ba North Eastern Hills University hapo Ksatri ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association North Eastern Hills University kila Pynkup Burom Kerpang ya ka Professor Badaplin war ka badang sian kalayo pedang ya ka Padma Shri Award. Ka Padma Shri Award kedai ka kusnam ka bakraw na ki sauteli ki kusnam ke bahe hari India bak sorkar pedang ke Pynkup Burom ya ki riu paukmat ki balano senyang haki benta baper kentup ha ka liang ka pule ka puti bat ki wei ki jing syakri ha ka imlang salang ha ka ni ka sngi na ka liang ka MTTA kala Pynkup Burom Kerpang ya Professor war ha ka jing don lang rangkat jong Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Sankar Shukla kinong hikai jong ka Khasi Department bat jong ki wei pat ki department jong ka North Eastern Hills University. Habakran hakani ka sngi Professor Shukla ulai kublai Kerpang ya ka Professor Badaplin war ka balawan ra nambat Burom ya kani ka school ba bat kumjuru ya ka jela Meghalaya. Shushu ka bas ngau tenat kalong bahakani ka sngi Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Sankar Shukla ula Kren ru da ka keten Khasi kum kadak ban Burom Kerpang ya kani kenong hikai ka badai kenong hikai ya ka subjek Khasi ha ka school ba Nehu. Habakran hakani ka sngi ka kong Badaplin war kala penpau ya kejing sngau kemen ya barok kinong hikai ki bala Pynkup Burom Kerpang ya ka hakani ka sngi.
Burom war ka nam hinta ka school wa Nehu war ka jalla wara kawai. First of all, I present my good wishes to Professor Badaplin that she has got lauded and pride for the university in particular and the state of Meghalaya in general. Not on the causing me one long walk, fika meta Nehu, minta Sngi, Pawani, I Burom ya Professor Badaplin na minta Jim Pynkup Burom ya the President the Padma Shri. Ka jing trai itong jong ina ka binta ka kating nam me bat ka literature ka film muksha ya ni ba ka no ni dan kam mantik ya la ka dustu ka kating ka nan ka lukun ka jong ni ka jing dan Common yada, what ending, insan yada, kapatin, what man tray itong nang ba, kapatin man nang ye, from kalong kawa kong siyang. Kulay sibong ya, fi kong Badaplin fi day I nang ikay I hemmen I para jongni I wa la pinti ya ni wa umus ni dai wan trai sitong na binta ki jai bin rio wa ka jalla varo koi ka Nehu ka da ka tin sunong no your feet.
However, perhaps none of this would have been possible were it not for the opportunities that were open to me by working in this university. There were numerous ones, numerous occasions numerous programs, that show how the university had been a place where I could find my calling as a teacher, as a researcher, as an author, and whatever work I've been able to do, in the society or even in the states. I perhaps can mention just a few of them. I was able to avail, as has already been mentioned, of the Commonwealth Academic Staff Scholarship in the United Kingdom, just 3 years after I joined the university. I was very blessed. I was very fortunate that the then head of the Department of Khasi brought the application form for me and told me to apply since I had not completed my PhD, and told me to apply for this scholarship. And then, of course, I did all that was necessary. The university recommended my application, and I was very, very happy to be selected as one among many candidates from the country to complete my PhD in the University of London. So, after I came back from the United Kingdom, I rejoined the department and immediately was pushed into the deep end of the work that I had to do. There were so many things that needed to be done, and I'm very, very grateful for my senior colleagues for giving me so many opportunities to contribute, and at the same time perhaps further my career as a researcher and also as a teacher. I cannot overemphasize the fact that being in a central university like Northeastern University has given all of us, not just me, all of us, tremendous opportunities to excel in what we do. The music that had been presented just now by Benedict, that really touched me. It was a heartwarming tune, and it actually set off what I was about to say. Kren, a land of dreams, a land of the past, a land of perhaps lost dreams also. Because I would just like to share with you my experiences, after serving in this university for almost 4 decades. I will be completing 39 years of service in this university this year. Firstly, as I've said, and I have witnessed the growth and development of not only the Department of Khasi, but also of the university as a whole. For me, working in the Department of Khasi is really a privilege. This department was founded in 1981, and I joined as a lecturer in the year 1983. It's a spacious department, if I am allowed to say, and it was founded by stalwarts such as Professor R.S. Burom, Professor H.W. Sten, and Professor B.L. Swear. Even after I joined the department, we had to work hand in hand with many thinkers, intellectuals of the society, and we had brainstorming sessions to shape the department into an academic department. It was an exciting time. It was a challenging time because we had to face many obstacles. But working in the university and being a part of the community, part of the society that we live in, perhaps working in the Department of Khasi has opened up even many more opportunities to interact with the community and the society at large. As I have said, Benedict's soulful rendering of Kren sort of set off what I am about to say. On this occasion, I feel somewhat nostalgic about the past. So allow me to take a few minutes of your time reminiscing about the way the university functioned perhaps about 2 or 3 decades ago. There was a time when many academic departments were located at Mayurganj, North Park, and that was a time when colleagues from different departments would often meet and share ideas and generally socialize. We were very close. It was a very close-knit community, and we knew each other well. We worked and we supported each other, and perhaps that was one of the reasons that we were able to help each other academically in more concrete